How you doing, guys? Stevie here tonight. Been away for about 3 weeks at work, so hence how I've been quiet on YouTube. So we're back again. So tonight I'm going to be tying a Cats Whisker variant just to break us back in. So in the vise I have the Camazan B175 size 10, and the thread I'm using is UTC Fire Orange number 70. So we'll run a bed of thread down the hook. It's a work offshore, that's how it's been quiet for the last 3 weeks, so we'll try and get a few videos out over the next couple of weeks. So just stop at the barber as usual, and for the tail, just the usual for the Cat's Whisker, I've got white marabou. Just take maybe about a centimetre's worth, cut off the end and just line it up with the body. And just come back down, tie it all in. And just forefinger and thumb and pinch. I'll move the vise there. Normally fish is international size, but this is probably a wee bit longer. I'm no fishing competitions just now, so I'm not too fussed. And for the body, I'm just using green chenille. It's Chartruese actually. It's just the original Cat's Whisker chenille. So just to wind up the body, tying it in, and I want to stop. Then just take this up just to tidy up. Back down, maybe leave about 5mm to the head. So the chenille, one straight turn across the back, then just start coming up, maybe about 3 or 4 turns of this chenille. That's 2, 3, 4. Then we'll get 5 in that one, and just tie that off, and cut off the end. And for the thorax we're using the Chartruese Synergy Fritz, which is Chartreuse and silver. Pearl I think's in it as well. I'll just tie that in. And you want 2 turns of this. 1, 2. Tie off and trim off the waist. So that's that fritz here. It's made by Dragonfly, if anybody's looking for it. You get it in the Glasgow Angling Centre. I've had that for years. Let me just tidy up again, just come back across. And for the wing, using white marabou again. So just get a decent pinch, maybe an inch and a half. Just sort it out with your fingers. I just get a wee roll and cut off the end. And just tie this in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just line it up with the tail and pinch again. Just get a wee bit with your fingers just to control it. And cut off the waist. Just a wee tidy up. And for the overwing I've got this silver freckle flash. Just a big hank of it. So 2 strands of this. Just over the back. Oops. Hold on. Too much getting in the road. Over the back and double up. and just trim off the waste. So this is a fly. I used to do well with this in lock leaving as well. You've seen the black version basically, maybe about a month ago. Just getting with 2 jungle cock cheeks. Hold them tight and tie them in. Just check that. Yeah, that's fine. And just pull the excess back, double over, and just create a nice bright red head. And whip finish. Just hold everything back. Trim off the waste and break that off, and that. All we need to do now is varnish it. This is a great early season fly as well, so handy one to have in your box, guys. So there we are. That's a Cats Whisker variant. One of my many variants I use. That's a good early season, good in the die 7, good in all the sinking lines. So hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.